The Ministry of Commerce said the total trade volume of imports and exports exceeded 9 trillion yuan, up nearly 9% from the year before. The volume of exports was nearly 5 trillion yuan, a rise of more than 6%. Imports came in at more than 4 trillion yuan. There was a jump of nearly 12%. The trade surplus was about 500 billion yuan, down about 24%.
As we have reiterated, China is not purposely pursuing a trade surplus. This was totally caused by the market, and it changes according to changes of the market. China will expand its imports from its own initiative.
Gao said that the improved trade environment will likely continue throughout the year. He said that the numbers reflect an improved global economy as well as the release of a pent-up domestic demand. The spokesman said that the ministry also hopes that U.S.-China trade can become a strong driving force behind global economic growth. To resolve the trade dispute between China and the U.S., the two countries had their first round of negotiations on May 3rd and 4th. They discussed some key issues, including the trade imbalance, two-way investments, and protecting intellectual property rights. They reached a consensus on some of the issues, but agreed to continue dialogue on the others. The leaders of the two countries agreed after last week's talks to reach a win-win result in resolving the dispute. Chinese Vice Premier Liu He will be in Washington next week to continue negotiations with the Americans. Gao said that both countries' working teams are discussing the talks. He also said that Beijing isn't looking to get into a trade war with the United States.
China doesn't hope to get involved in a trade war, but is not afraid of one. I hope under the guidance of the two leaders, the two sides will abide by the principles of mutual respect and negotiation on equal footing. The two countries will continue to increase communications, work together pragmatically, and manage differences in the interest of stable economic and trade relations.
Wang Hui, CGTN, Beijing.